and welcome into my home. Come on in. All Home Tour. Open collaboration and is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Barbie Dailey Rural Life in the Valley, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Design with Emma, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, Jubilee Tablescape, Joyful Decor by Denise, Decorating with Jazzi Green, and myself, Soniadownsouth. Welcome to my home, and let's get started on this tour of my home. Okay guys, let's go into the study. And this is my study. And I also call it my quiet room, because a lot of times when I'm in this room, I just quietly be in here reading. And here are some of the books that I use, the inspirational books that I read while I'm in here, in the Bible, and then there's different prayer books and inspirational books from different artists. And this was a present given to me. And these are some of the items. I changed these up quite a bit. I may change them up seasonal, Christmas, fall, spring, summer, and I may just change them up. Some of them stay and some of them I take down. But basically I kind of change up a little bit in this room. Not very much, but mostly the things on the shelves. Okay, let's go on to my dining area. Okay guys, let's go into my dining room and see what's there. But here, I want you to see this picture here. This is a picture of a church scene, and I've been having this picture for years, and I just love it. So I put it in the hall. When people come in, they could see that picture. Okay, now here's my dining room, guys. I just recently did this tablescape in a collaboration, and this is for the fall. So here is just some of the new added fall decoration I put up here. These lamps are pretty new, and they came from Wayfair. My mirror is pretty old now, and it came from Wayfair. This came from Wayfair. A lot of the items you're going to see in my house came from Wayfair for its furniture. And this, I changed this up a little bit. This is my China cabinet. So now, just show you this small powder room here. Okay, guys, here's just a small powder room here. Just want you to see it. Not very big, but it's for guests. And there's a picture on that wall over there, and it came from the New Orleans, from the French quarters, and I had it framed, and it's some instruments. These are musicians that's playing music in the French Quarter. I thought it was really nice, so I hung it in my bathroom so that I could keep it. Okay, now let's go my kitchen. Okay guys, let's go into my family room. And I just want to share with you, I chose cream and teal for my fall colors for my family room. And my teal was inspired by these vases that I got at an auction. They were a little high priced in the auction, but I feel good that I was able to get them both at the auction. So I just want to let you look around at my family room and see some of the different things, the mantle, and some of the different things in the way I decorated for the fall. And some of the floral decorations you see was it was DIY by me. I do a lot of floral decorations. Okay guys, let's go over to my breakfast area, and I just want to show you how I decorate using the same colors as in my family room because they are so close together. I like the same colors to be blended in with the family room and my breakfast area. So I use teal and I use gold and cream on this table as well, just to blend it in with the family room. Okay, we're gonna move over to my sunroom, and those chairs are two new additions to the sunroom, and they were purchased at Wayfair. The sunroom has a bar, and it came with the house, and I really wanted it to be removed, but my husband didn't decide to do that, so I made a coffee bar out of it. So there's regular beverages, is tea and coffee is what's on this side. And anytime I have guests over and they just want to maybe drink a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, or just get a soda, then we come over to this side of the bar, and I give them drinks like that. On the other side, my husband's side, is alcohol, because when he have guests over, usually they have a lot of alcohol or beer on that side. And they both have access to the pool area, so when we have pool guests, they could just come in these rooms and get some beverage out the refrigerator here, or go on the other side and get a drink from him. But this is my coffee bar area, and I just love it because it's just so relaxing to sit here and have my coffee in the morning and kind of look out at the pool area. Now I'm going to take you to the last room in the house, which is my husband's man cave. He spends a lot of time in this room, so I decided to decorate it in his favorite pastime, which is golf. And when he's not in his man cave, he's somewhere playing golf. So I made the decorations something that he likes. My grandchildren and I spend a lot of time in here as well, watching movies, and they do dance routines and just have a lot of fun in this room. And during the Christmas season, we usually have parties right in this room. But basically, this is my husband's man cave, and everything about it is about him and what he likes. Oh, and excuse the big box on the floor that came from Amazon. That's a new rug that my husband and I were planning to put down, but he didn't have enough time to help me with it, so we're going to get it done another day, and maybe then I'll show you that new rug. Okay, this is the end of my home tour. I hope that you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed doing it. Don't forget to go over to the other ladies' channels and watch their home tour. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me some comments. I love to hear what you think of this, the decoration I have in my home. And also, if you give me a thumbs up, I know that you like it. Thank you for joining me, and may God bless you, and may God keep you. Bye-bye.